Alright, naging mainit ang talakayan sa pagitan ng Pilipinas at China sa naganap na South China Sea Conference na ginanap sa Vietnam. Pero bago ang lahat, isa munang mapagpala at magandang oras sa mga all. Nagkaroon ng sagutan si Commodore Tariela at ang ex-colonel ng China dahil sa virtual presentation na ipinakita ni PCG Commodore Tariela na kung saan kanyang sinasabi na malaki ang pagbabago ng Coast Guard sa bawat bansa. Dahil kung dati ay ito ay nagbabantay lamang sa mga teritoryo, ngayon ay nananakop na ito at ang tinutukoy niya rito ay ang China.
The situation is further complicated by the establishment and utilization of the China Coast Guard. Instead of perceiving them as a fulfilling maritime security roles, Coast Guards are now seen as deceptive smoke screens used to advance territorial claims.
Dagdag pa ni PCG Commodore Tariela, lalo itong pinalala dahil sa pinapakita ng China Coast Guard sa West Philippine Sea.
Rather than being seen as a potential de-escalation approach, the China Coast Guard actions have raised concerns that Coast Guard competitions could escalate conflicts in the South China Sea. So if there's only one deviant behavior among the Coast Guards in the region, that would be the China Coast Guard.
Hirit naman ng ex-colonel ng China na para daw pinapalabas ng Philippine Coast Guard na sila ay ang masama at ang Pilipinas ay mabuti.
Why were you so barbaric to kill Chinese fishermen?
Sinagot din ni Commodore Tariela ang pagsasalarawan ng China sa Philippine Coast Guard.
Thank you for using the word barbaric. You keep on mentioning the word barbarism. But as I said, we abide with international rules-based order. I think the transparency initiative that we have been espousing for the past months is a clear understanding of what the word barbarism is. Because Vietnam, Malaysia, Indonesia, and Philippines will always abide with the international rules-based order. I just don't know whether People's Republic of China is also willing to do the same.
Naging magaling si Commodore Tariela sa pagsagot sa mga paratang nitong ex-colonel ng China, 'di ba? Kaya saludo tayo diyan kay Commodore Tariela. Maraming salamat muli sa inyong panonood sa aking malit na channel. Pagpalain nawang bawat isa. God bless everyone.